You can explore and debug the behavior of the model by simulating the behavior of IASC1 SWC. You will use the SCADE Suite simulator. From the Code Generator toolbar, select the Simulation Configuration drop-down list. You can click on Settings to explore the configuration the specified options that are used to build the simulation. This configuration allows to generate the simulation executable for IASC1 SWC with KCG 6.6.2c for the code generation and GNU GCC to build the binary. Click Run to automatically generate and run the simulation executable. Once the build is completed, the interactive SCADE simulation runs. The IDE moves from the editing mode to the simulation mode. Users cannot modify the model in this mode. An Instances view is available to manage the inputs and inspect the outputs. You can observe the values of the IASC1 outputs that are updated according to the current IASC1 inputs and sensor values. Select and click on Following Input Names, or F2 key, to edit and specify input values. A watch window can also manage I/OS. Drag and drop inputs and outputs from the Instances view to the watch window. In the same way, a graph window can display the graphs of I/OS values. The Simulation toolbar is available to manage the simulation. Click on Step or Fast Step to execute the application and update the outputs. Click on Go to enable the continuous mode to automatically execute the application at each cycle and not only when you click on Step/Fast Step. In the simulation mode, you can save in a scenario file the values of inputs specified from a start cycle number to the current one. Click on Save Scenario. Browse the location and type a file name as test_scenario.sss. And click on Save button. You can load and execute a scenario file. Click on Load Scenario. Browse the location and type a file name as test_scenario.sss.